YouTube, what up? Welcome back to Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. I am your host, Perry, and I want to talk to you guys about why I really want y'all to start this service business, man. Starting this service business will allow you guys to do a multitude of things, and we'll get into that now. Let's go. All right, so here's a big reason why the Journey Journal is so important. Outside of tracking your process, tracking your progress, showing gratitude, daily dollar checkup, knowing what you got, what you need, what you're aiming for every day. Imagine once you're done on your journey in 90 days and you've started your service business and you collected cash and you're successful. Everybody's levels of success is different. Now, once you're finished with that, you have a product that's sellable, and here's why I did it. Once you're done, you have an ebook. You break your journal down into an ebook. You have a journal that you can create of your own, because clearly what was important to me when I was building my business might not be important to you guys, and it might allow you to make the journal better. You have a course. So now you have a sellable course that you can make where you just have to build it out, but you have all the materials right there in your journal. And you have an ebook. Now is it more important? Now do you think it's important for you to start your service business? And once you're starting your service business, you're going to have to get online at some point. And from there, you can build your online brand. It's a method to my madness, y'all. Y'all just got to get with it. Trust me. If you get with it, it's going to all make sense. Get the journal, start your business. Have products to sell at the end. That's all I got for you. I'm not going to force it down your throats, but trust me, it makes sense. And I don't mean mental sense. I mean dollar sense. All right? So I'm Perry. I'm signing off. All service business, all success, service business simplified. Get that journey journal and start your service business today. And in 90 days, 6 months, have a sellable course in a different life. Peace.